In this quick video guide, we're going to talk about Openproject. Now, Openproject is a web app, so it's a cloud tool that you can use to manage your project, to manage your teams, your tasks, and whatever you need to do on your project planning. Now, let me show you from the start how you can install or run the Openproject. So this is a web app, so it's web-based project management system. You don't have to download and install anything. You just need to create an account. So if we click here, the first result that we find, you can install Openproject. So you can download it and install it if you want, but you can also use it online. And you have all the different information here. And if you click here and say start free trial, you can first enter your organization name. Let's say that it's called JB, and go to let's add another name. Now for the free trial, which will last 14 days, you need to insert your first name, last name, email, and password, and check this box on and say create new account. This is all you need to do to create an account and to get access for the trial version. Or you can also sign up with Google. Okay, so you can see here I have just started with my account, and I can select a language. But for this video I'm gonna use English and say save, and there you go. So it's gonna show me a little bit of the interface. It's a 3 minutes introduction that we can do together. Well, we're gonna do this quick, and then you can spend a little bit of your time here. So this is pretty useful because it's gonna show you how the interface will work. And we can start with the demo project by clicking here, and it's gonna show us how it's gonna work. Now this is the work packages dashboard, so you can see here that is showing me all the project phases and tasks, milestones, and so on. And I can create one, customize it, and I can go back, of course, in the interface, create a new task or milestone or other parts of my project. And I can also watch my project with a Gantt chart. Now the Gantt chart is a really useful and popular tool in project management because in one snapshot here I can see all the situation, the timing, what's the day today, and when a particular project needs to be finished, and so on. So it's really handy and really also easy to use. Let's move on, and we can go back here to main page, and we have work packages, we have boards, and in the boards we can see the different tasks, which one is new, which one in progress, which one is closed. I can create new tasks for team members, I can share. Now everything is gonna be on the cloud, so a lot of people can access the same board and work together. And here we can create a new project and invite co-workers, and that's it. So now it's up to us. We can start here to play around. Now this is just an introduction. We are just going to make a tour of the web app, but if you like it, if you enjoyed the video, please write in the comments your questions, also your suggestions, and support us so that we can create more. So let's just test a little bit here the web app. So for example, I want to create a new task. So I want to create a new card and call this test 1 and press enter, and there you go. Now this is my customized task, and I can click this and drag it, for example, in progress, or I can place it here if the task is finished or rejected or so on. I can also add new ones here. For example, let's say in testing, yes, add, and you can see here the new one, and continue to add others. Let's say on hold. There you go. And I can move these around. So this is a Kanban board. I can click here and go back. This will bring me to the boards and also a basic board. Now this is the demo project. Of course, you can start one by yourself from scratch, but this is going to be really helpful at the beginning to understand how everything works. And also I have work breakdown structure. So I have a number of boards here, but I can also go to work packages. There you go. So here I can see, for example, the milestones, the project plan. This is where the Gantt chart is. So I can see this as cards. I can filter things out. I can see the Gantt chart. I can also make this a little bit bigger and, well, let's say like this. And I can start to work around with these phases and tasks. So I can move them around. Be careful about the sequence here. So everything needs to be as a sequence. So, and you have the milestones. Okay. And I can also change here the information right here. And also the progress. Now let's create a new one just to test it. Let's create a new task, which will be testing Openproject. Okay, so there you go. So the task has been added for today, and I can click here and extend it. And I can also then click here on the task, double click, and then I can start to define it. So I can set, for example, a progress, and I can insert files. I can change here the people, and I can start to type information. But, well, you can figure out here how it works. And I can also click this and drag it around, maybe place it here on top before the actual starting of the project, just like that, and create dependencies and so on. And then we have tasks. So this is, well, these are all other panels here and views, which you can use to check your project and watch it in different angles. So if you click on this arrow here, you will go back and you can also check news, wiki, you can see the members, you can go in the project settings and create new projects from here and create also sub projects. Here at the top right, you also have your account information, and you can change, for example, the language in the settings here, the time zone, and, well, also other personal information like password and other important things. So for this video, we're gonna stop here. Please subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.